Okay, so let's have our letter C. So let's talk about our parabola. Parabola opening upward. Okay, so just like our previous derivation, just draw our axis. Take note that my parameter here is my vertex is at 0, 0. So therefore, I will have my x-axis, I will have my y-axis, and my axis of the parabola will be equal to my y-axis. Okay, so from that, let's draw our parabola with a vertex at 0, 0. Okay, so from here, like the ellipse, our focus will or can be found in our y-axis. So our focus can be found at 0, A. Okay, take note that the length of this will be our A, and since this is or equidistant to our directrix, we have our negative A. So we have distance A. This is also A, but particularly that is for distance, we would get the absolute value, but for its coordinates we'll have 0, negative A. So this will be my focus, and this will be my point in my directrix. Okay, that is or that can be found within the axis of my parabola. Okay, now let's draw our directrix. Okay, okay, this will be our directrix, in which directrix has an equation equal to y is equal to, this is negative A, so y plus A is equal to 0. Now the next thing to do is of course to find any point within our parabola. Let this be my point xy. So therefore we will have or we will create our line FP, I should say. So our line FP and our line PD. Take note that our PD must always be perpendicular with our directrix. Okay, sorry for the symmetry, but that must be, okay, based on our property of the parabola is that this line FP, okay, I will just change the color. Our line FP must be equal to our line PD. So the length of my line FP, so my line FP must be equal to the length of my line PD. But what is my FP? Okay, so my line FP is equal to using our distance formula, we have FP, we have x minus 0 square plus y minus a square, and my line PD is of course equal to, what is this line that is perpendicular to my directrix, or what is the point within that? We can say that this is at point x negative a. Okay, So from this, we'll have square root of x minus x square plus negative a minus y square. Okay, from this I will have square root of x minus x square is equal to 0, and of course by factoring out negative 1, this will become a plus y square. Negative 1 square is just equal to 1 by the property of your exponent. Now since fp is equal to pd, so therefore we will have square root of x square plus y minus a square is equal to square root of a plus y square. So getting the square of both sides, we'll have x square plus y minus a square, which is equal to a plus y square. So we have x square plus y square minus 2ay plus a square is equal to a square plus 2ay plus y square. You would notice that our y square will cancel off because y square minus y square is 0. And of course our a square will cancel off because a square minus a square is 0. So we'll have a value equal to x square is equal to, transposing my negative 2y to the other side, so I will have 2ay plus 2ay, so I will have x square is equal to 4ay. This is for our letter C.